Onam is the largest and official festival in Kerala, an Indian state known as God's own country. It is also known as Rainflower Festival. Onam is celebrated at the beginning of the month of Chingam, the first month of the solar Malayalam calendar Kolavarsham. It falls in August or September each year. It is celebrated on a large scale for 10 days. The 10-day harvest festival begins on Atham, first day of Onam, and concludes on Thiruvonam, the last day. Onam is celebrated to honor the homecoming of Ashura king Mahabali, who brought about peace and prosperity in Kerala. The word Onam comes from Sanskrit word Shravanam. It is related to the nakshatras. In the culture of South India, Thiru is associated with Lord Vishnu. People believe that nakshatra of Lord Vishnu is the Thiruvonam. He used his foot to push King Mahabali to the underworld. The story of Onam is interesting. People celebrate Onam to welcome the Mahabali. It is believed to be the mythic demon king. Although he was a demon, he helped people. He was kind-hearted and thoughtful. The gods were not ready to accept the popularity of Mahabali. They went to Lord Vishnu for help. Mahabali was a true devotee of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu told other gods that he would conclude without indulging in any battle between the demon king and gods. Vishnu disguised himself as a poor Brahmin. He named this character Vamana. The dwarf Brahman went to the kingdom of Mahabali, asking him to fulfill his 3 desires. He asked him for property rights which scaled 3 paces. The demon king agreed to fulfill his wish. Onam is celebrated by making the flower rangolis. Other rituals are also performed, which includes the boat races, the tiger dances, mask dances, martial arts, among others. The main attraction is the traditional grand feast. Onam festival being colorful, magnificent, and the biggest carnival of Kerala, become an integral part of the Indian festival calendar. In addition, it holds great cultural and religious significance for unraveling several aspects of Indian mythology.